Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to EduSpire Career Development Private Limited. Today we are going to have a discussion on arrangement distribution pattern of question. So your question is like this. There is a group of 6 students M, N, O, P, Q and R in a class. Each of the 6 students opt for 2 subjects, one compulsory and the other optional subject. P's optional subject was geography, while three others have it as a compulsory subject. Q and R have chemistry as one of their subjects. R's compulsory subject is physics, which is an optional subject of both O and Q. Geography and English are M's subject as compulsory and optional respectively. Biology is an additional subject of only one of them. The only female student in the group is the one who has geography as an optional subject and English as the compulsory one. Now you need to identify who is the female students in the group. So if you consider the question, it is not very like it must be you must be having the feeling like how to find out that who is the female student in the group. So let us first observe the question. Who is the female student in the group? We need to identify. Then question number 2, what is the compulsory subject of O? That we need to identify. Which of the following have the same compulsory and optional set as that of R? That we need to identify. Disregarding which is compulsory and which is optional subject, who has the same combination as that of R? That also we need to identify. Which of the following group of students have geography as their compulsory subject? That we need to identify. Now only this information is given to us in the form of certain sentences. So what to do? How to identify this? Let's see. Here I have marked certain portion with different colors. Okay. These are the only portions that we need to use, right? So let's see. First, I have marked with red color. P's optional subject is geography. So we need to frame a table like this. Okay. And I have marked P's optional subject as geography. Okay. And what other information we are getting? While 3 others have it as a compulsory subject. So that I have maintained. Geography is the compulsory subject of M, N and O, right? Hope you have understood this. Then what we are finding, Q and R have chemistry as one of their subject. So Q and R, they have chemistry as one of their subject that I have maintained. And in the very next proportion, we have this thing that R's compulsory subject is physics, which is optional subject of both O and Q. So R's compulsory subject is physics and Q and R both are having chemistry. So Q's compulsory subject will be chemistry, and in case of R, chemistry will be the optional subject. And physics is the compulsory subject of R and optional for Q and O, right? This we have maintained. Then biology is an optional subject of only one of them. So all other portions are already occupied. Biology is the optional subject of only N. Because like we find that geography and English are M subject as compulsory and optional. So geography is compulsory and English is optional. So all other optional subjects are already occupied. Only N is left. So N's optional subject will be biology. Hope you have understood this. Next, what we are finding, the only female student in the group is the one who has geography as the optional subject and English as the compulsory one. So geography optional was of P. So English will be the compulsory one of P, and P is the female student. So here from we can easily solve this question. Who is the female student in the group? We found that P is the female student. So option D, P will be the correct answer. Coming to question number 2, what is the compulsory subject of O? Compulsory subject of O as per the table is geography, right? So geography will be my correct answer. That is option A. Next, which of the following have the same compulsory and optional set as that of R? So R is having compulsory subject as physics and optional subject as chemistry, and we are finding that there is no other person who is having physics as the compulsory subject and chemistry as the optional subject. So the correct answer here will be none of these. Right? Hope you have understood this. Coming to the next one, disregarding which is compulsory and which is optional subject, who has the same combination as that of R? So if we go by table, like we are having same combination in case of R and Q. So Q is having the same combination like R. So here option D, Q will be the correct answer. Hope you have understood this. Which of the following group of students have geography as their compulsory subject? So we have found here geography is the compulsory subject of M, N and O. So the correct answer here will be M, N and O, that is option D. Hope you have understood this process of solving this question. Keep on watching our videos. We will upload this kind of videos on a regular basis so that you can improve your understanding capability regarding this kind of question. These kind of questions are very much common in different competitive exam, including CAT. So definitely this will help you overcome your problem. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.